Hi, this is Bill Mervin with AnnieMac Home Mortgage here in our Newtown, Pennsylvania offices. Today, I'm going to be discussing recent changes with how student loan payments are calculated when qualifying for an FHA mortgage and how it might affect you when buying your next home. But before we begin, I'd like to direct you to a link on our blog. Just click on that link if you have any follow-up questions, you have any topic ideas for future blogs, or just want to talk to somebody on our team. Click on that link, leave your information, and somebody on our team will reach right out to you. What has changed with how student loan payments are calculated regarding FHA mortgages? Well, prior to September of 2015, if you had a student loan debt and it was in deferment for at least 12 months past the closing date, those debts weren't counted against you as far as how much of a mortgage you could qualify for. The rule that changed last fall now states that if a payment is in deferment or if there's a zero payment, so if you're in an income-based repayment plan and the payment is actually zero, they now require us to use a 2% of the balance as a payment towards your debt ratio. So what does that mean? I have $50,000 worth of student loans that are in deferment. That is the equivalent of $1,000 a month that we now need to count against you as far as how much you can qualify. That's like almost a whole nother mortgage payment. So obviously this has had an outsized impact on people, especially people with large student loan debt loads. In some cases there are workarounds. There's things that we can do. So even though a student loan payment is in deferment, we've had some successes with contacting student loan companies and requesting to get an estimated payment of what the payments would actually be once the deferment expires. And in many, many cases, that payment is far less than the 2% payment that we have to use if we don't have any payment at all. And in those cases, we're able to use that. Even though it says on there that this is an estimate, we're able to use that because at least the bank has an idea of where that payment's going to be once the deferment is over. So like I always say, the best thing to do always is to get out early and ahead of the home buying process. If you have student loan payments, it's best that you reach out again early to us, come in, sit in for a consultation where we can review it and see where we stand and see if we can come up with some solutions to make sure that this change doesn't affect you from getting into your next home. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this information useful. As always, if there's any follow-up questions at all, use our contact information below and reach out to us right away. Also, please like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the mortgage-related topics that are going on in the industry.